Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a little Projectshare. I am swapping some Memorydex cards with my scrapbook friends, and we're going to crop and we're going to swap. So I chose my Pretty Things by Mama's Eye, and I'm using these stamps that I showed them at home from Tuesday morning. It's called Headshots by Stampendous. The women with the long necks, there's 5 of them, and I colored them in with my Spectrum Noir using a 110-pound paper. And these are just some BB Crafts enamel dots. These are great. Check them out. I love these. I use the Memorydex Heidi Swap Memorydex dies, both sets, and then I use one of my sets from AliExpress. So for this one, I just show you the second batch of cards that I've made. So I made 3 more. Says you don't have to be crazy to be my friend. I'll train you. So little snarky, little cute little sayings. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot to show you the paper that I cut up. I got this from scrapbook.com, but it's by Photoplay. It's called Signboard, and all of these, I cut all of these out. These all have little like scrapbook type funny sayings and things. So I thought that would be appropriate to use with them. So again, this has all the doily on it and some gold thread. And then I cut them out and I inked them all with Vintage Photo. So this is the word love right here, and that is by EK Success. And then there's a heart punch back here by Martha Stewart and a flower punch back here by Marvy. Okay. And of course my logo is on the back. So that's that. Then the second one says, what happens at the crop stays at the crop. So again, this is part of a tree, which is Family Tree by Fiskars. And this is a Martha Stewart flower punch. And then this is a diamond punch by EK Success. And again, the gold doily and thread. And again, I colored her in with the Spectrum Noir markers. Sorry about the lighting. It's first thing in the morning, and you know how it is. And the sun is it's not all the way up and blah blah blah. So this was I was crafty when crafty wasn't cool. So on this one I have a bow punch, which is by Martha Stewart, some bling from Dollar Tree, a bird punch by EK Success, floral punch by Marvy, and then this ticket by Little B. So I just grabbed a whole bunch of punches, and I just punched out a whole bunch of extra paper left over after I die cut out the Memorydex card. And of course these my logo is on the back, but these are sturdy. I used 2 sheets of 110-pound paper and then that and glue on top of it just to make them very sturdy. So they are my 3 that I have just made. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And check out the other video and the links to see the other ones I made before this. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.